Is your Infiniti QX50 dropping your Apple CarPlay connection mid-drive? Let's troubleshoot the likely culprits in this guide. Statistically, the vast majority of these intermittent disconnects are actually caused by a degraded Lightning or USB-C cable. Before you take it to the dealer, follow these diagnostic steps to narrow down the source of the fault. Start by testing a brand new Apple certified cable and ensuring your phone port is completely free of debris. If the physical connection is fine, check for an Infiniti InTouch firmware update or try resetting your Bluetooth pairing entirely. Advanced users should try forgetting the vehicle from the iPhone settings and disabling USB restricted mode while locked. Most issues are resolved at home, but if the unit continues to crash after a reset, you may have a hardware failure. As shown here, the cable is the overwhelming cause of connectivity drops in the QX50 infotainment system. If all else fails, perform a clean repairing by deleting the device from both the car and your smartphone. Keep a high-quality cable in your glove box and use compressed air to keep your phone port clear of debris. Remember that your technology is only as reliable as your weakest link, which is almost always the cable itself. If these steps fixed your connection, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Infiniti tips.